Flexing our Madison model here in Ridgecrest, Molino, Bacoor. Outside the subdivision are McDonald's, Shuttles Best, and SM Molino, all walking distance lang. This is almost across the Anghari, near Ibiya at Bilyarland. May UP na din palang gagawin doon, and this area will be developed as the next BGC. Madison is a 3-story single house. Lot area is 80 to 110 square meters. Floor area naman is 105 square meters. It has 4 to 5 bedrooms na kasya ang buong pamilya and 3 toilet and bath on each floor for your convenience. Ganito ang ating magiging turnover. Package starts at 5.9 million pesos, all-in na, hulugan pa. Price includes renovation, transfer title, and bank charges kaya wala ka nang iintindihin pa. Down payment is at 15%, nahulugan pa for 15 months. Wow, that's only 1% per month lang ha. And para sa mga nagmamadaling makalipat, just pay the 15% spot down and we will process the bank and the renovation right away. We also have deferred payments, 0 interest for 24 months. Tara, akyat tayo sa itaas. Madison model has a unique layout na ideal for big and extended family. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a mini balcony. This is bedroom number 1. You can put in here some single bed, cabinets, and study table. Very high ceiling, spacious ang room, and big windows kaya hindi ka feeling cramped. We have toilet and bath na nasa second floor na naka-jack and jill, so lahat ng room ay may access. Also have mini balcony na nakakonect sa master's bedroom na you can extend pa. Siya nga pala, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, I'm Sheila Beronilla, your friendly real estate broker. My vlog is all about buying and selling of real property investment and anything in between. Kaya kung gusto mo ng ganitong content, please follow kung ikaw ay nanonood sa Facebook and subscribe kung ikaw naman ay nanonood sa YouTube. Thank you! So for viewing and inquiries and per pastor transaction, please direct messages at FB Messenger Sheila Medina Beronilla or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-893-4078. Tara, akyat tayo sa 3rd floor. Very spacious sa 3rd floor. Pwedeng pang family entertainment, office, at pwede ding extra bedrooms. Yung isa kong client, ginawa itong 2 bedrooms. So, once again, installment ng ating down payment for as low as 15% and yung 85% na remaining balance is through bank loan. Do not worry sa pagpaprocess dahil kami po ang bahala dito. If you will compare the price of this unit versus dun po sa mga nasa area nearby, ay talaga naman pong sulit na because package prices includes renovation, transfer title, mortgage, and other bank charges. Oops, wait, but there's more. Meron din tayo ditong 1-bedroom pa na nasa 3rd floor that you can convert into walk-in closet, stock room, or mini office. Few units left. Thank you for watching and keep safe always. Bye! Congrats Team Palisok dahil malapit na kayong lumipat sa inyong bagong bahay. Maraming salamat!